was just a prank, Han.
Today is the 1-year anniversary of the dreadful tragedy of Hannah and Beth Washington, the twins who are still missing.
I know it would mean so much to Hannah and Beth that we're all still here together, and I'm thinking of them.
Whoa, hello. Somebody's getting a little friendly.
Boom. Butterfly effect.
Excuse me? Did you say something?
Oh, did you not hear me? Was your sluttiness?
Stop it! Mike, why don't you check out the guest cabin, the one I told you about?
Yeah.
All right.
Did you hear that?
What in God's name are you wearing?
Here's our one-way ticket to the spirit realm.
Watch out for that Josh. He's a schemer.
Well, that's how it's gonna be. Yes? Jess!
So, it says here, to communicate with the spirit world, you must free your mind of all preconceptions, drop all inhibitions, and generally give yourself over entirely to the will of others, sublimating your every desire to the whims of the spirit master, which is me.
It doesn't say that.
And all present will remove their garments at my sole discretion.
Chris, come on, this is serious.
Oh, I'm deadly serious.
Oh, shush it. Let's try this.
Yes, please.
Okay, then. Let's see what happens. Ashley, since you're a recent convert, why don't you be our medium for today?
Okay, is anyone there? Hello? Pick up the phone. Spirit phone. Abracadabra.
Come on.
If you can hear my voice, give us a sign.
Yeah, like a peace sign or a
Guys,
stop sign.
If you're not gonna take this seriously.
Okay. Is anyone there? Wherever there is.
Wait a minute.
Did you do that?
I didn't do anything.
It's moving again.
H?
What's it spelling?
Hold on.
How's this happening?
Are you moving it?
I swear it's just moving.
Holy shit.
Help?
How are we supposed to help?
I don't know. What does it mean?
We need to know who it is if we're supposed to help them.
How can we help you?
It's moving again.
What's it spelling?
War.
It's moving fast.
Warning.
Shit.
Oh my God. Warning?
I think we really need to find out who's trying to communicate with us.
What are you warning us about? Oh, here it goes.
Okay, S.
I,
S
T.
E,
R.
sister. Sister?
Whose sister?
Oh, come on. Is this for real?
Shut up! Ask it whose sister.
Josh, it's gotta be.
Yeah, okay, well, which sister is it then?
Ashley, ask who it is.
Who are we speaking to? Hannah? Is that you? Oh God.
This is messed up.
Josh? Are you
Fine.
sure? Because we can stop.
No.
Dude, it's cool.
I want to hear what it says.
I don't know where to start.
Think about it. If this is actually Hannah, I mean, we can find out what happened that night.
Josh?
I can handle it.
Okay. Let me think. Hannah, if you can hear this, like, really hear this, We all want to apologize for what happened.
It was stupid and mean, and we're sorry.
We're so sorry, Hannah. B? E? T? R?
Uh-oh.
I don't like this.
Betrayed.
What does she mean?
It's still going.
Oh God. K? I? L? L? E? D? No.
Kill.
We didn't kill them. It was just a prank.
Ash, calm down, okay? Just, we need to find out more.
I'm sorry. I am so
Guys,
sorry.
what do they mean?
Ask them what happened. It's the only way to know. Ask them, Ash.
Okay. Who killed you? Hannah, who was it? L? I? B?
The library. Maybe there's something in the library
B?
here?
R? O? O?
Proof. There's proof.
In the library? Oh, no. Holy shit. Chris?
You know what? No, this is bullshit. This isn't real.
Josh, I don't know what's going on.
Listen, I don't know if you think messing with me is somehow going to help me deal with my grief or whatever, but this is not cool.
Josh, no! You wanted to use the spirit board!
Hey, calm down. It's not
I
Ash's
don't
fault.
need this right now, okay? You guys are full of it.
Should we go after him?
Ah, man, I mean, he'll be okay. Let's just give him some time.
I don't blame him. That was crazy. The pointer flew right off the table.
And if you were faking it, you were doing one hell of a job.
I wasn't faking anything. I think we should do what it says. We should look in the library.
Jess?
Jess! Oh! Fuck!
Jess, where did you go? This is not funny. Jess! Buddy, you in there?
Ah! Whoa! Christ!
Scared the blue out of my jeans. The hell is that doing in there anyway? Jess? Hun? Light of my life? Jessica? Oh, come on. I totally promise I won't murder you when I find Oh my God. No.
That was so good!
No!
Wait, you have to see this. You have to...
I'm not
Let's
singing
go.
it.
No, Mike.
No. You recorded that?
Look at your face!
I was scared, Jed. You can't just jump out at somebody. I'm in the middle of the woods. It's scary.
I'm sorry to scare you.
If we send that to anybody,
You're
I'm
what?
gonna kill you.
I didn't know you had such a cute little ladylike scream, Michael. Guess you never really know someone until you've scared the pants off of them.
As far as I can tell, my pants are still on.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah. Looks like you have to try harder.
A challenge, eh?
Well, I hope you're strapped in, because you're about to feel the full force of my mind-melting thrill skills.
want to help you up?
The hell is that?
Was it someone screaming?
No. No. Probably just a squirrel. Something.
Creep town. What?
Do you hear that?
No.
Hello? Someone there?
That thing almost killed us.
Charming.
It's everything you described, Michael.
Wait, what?
It's heaven. I love it.
Yeah. Hey, check out this mask.
Oh, why?
It's so weird, right?
Creeps me out.
I think you like it. Oh my god.
Ugh, Mike, stop.
Alright. You're lost. Mask is cool.
What is that?
Not sure I want to know. Damn.
It's horrible.
Gee, I don't think he's gonna make it. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy.
God, the poor thing.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Mike, it's in so much pain.
It'll be over soon. Okay, buddy. It'll be over soon. Run! Run!
Oh my God, what the hell was that?
I don't know!
Oh, there's a break! Over here, over here! Mike, get over here!
Stay on the path. We're almost there. Come on, we gotta go.
I am! Mike, get the key! Get it open! Oh my God! That was close. What?
Had it under control. Whole time.
Oh, bullshit.
No, 100%. 100%. 110.
crap, I feel like I just ran a marathon.
I think we kind of did.
Was it a bear?
Yeah, gotta be. Things are crazy fast.
I mean, I didn't see it.
Hey, things not gonna come barging in, I promise.
How can you be sure?
'Cause I'm pretty sure bears don't know how to open cabin doors.
I've seen them open car doors.
What? Where?
On the internet.
Really? Okay. Well, this isn't the internet, Jess. Right? This is real life. And I promise you that no bear or anything else is gonna open that cabin door.
I guess you're right. Okay. I'm almost feeling relaxed again. Almost. Huh. Typical. Urgh. This is not the cozy chalet I was promised, Mike.
Yeah, it's a bit drafty or something, right?
Well, there is a fireplace.
Well, we don't need a fire to heat things up.
Michael, I am a lady, and a lady needs a proper romantic setting.
Okay.
A lady would like to cuddle up with her man by a nice cozy fire bathed in atmospheric mood lighting.
Right. Well, it'll get plenty toasty once we're rubbing up against each other.
Mike,
Yeah.
fire and mood lighting.
Yes, my lady. Wow, this'll take care of the mood lighting. All right, logs are ready to go. Just need a match. Looks like we weren't the only ones to meet the friendly neighborhood terror bears.
That does not make me feel any better.
Oh, Jess, look at this.
Is it a fire?
No, way cooler. Huh? How you like me now?
Oh my god. Why do guns make men go completely bonkers?
Nothing? Right. She'll never understand what we have together.
Shit. Fuck. Mike!
What?
Oh, crap.
What?
Where is it?
What? What's wrong?
Gone. It is gone, okay?
Jess, slow down. What is gone?
My freaking phone, Sherlock.
Can't find it?
Crap. No. I must have dropped it outside.
Oh. Shit.
I can't lose my phone. My parents will kill me.
You can always get a new one.
That's like my fourth one this year.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'll help you look for it.
It's gotta be outside.
Yeah, I don't think we want to go out there right now with the bear. Or whatever it is.
Fine.
Looky, looky. Who's gonna fire up some nookie?
You've been dying to use that line since we got here, haven't you?
Nice. This'll lighten up the mood a little. Oh!
Ah!
Hey! What, are you okay?
What are you doing?
It's the lights.
I know it's the lights, dummy. You broke them.
It's probably faulty wiring or something.
You've got faulty wiring. sculpture, I suggest you get a fire going. Pronto.
Oh, hell yeah. These guys were inventive. Whoa. I'm not sure if I'm ready for such advanced levels of gameplay. Get off, get off, get off! Oh, fucking shit, fuck, shit. What do you think was in there, Mike? Come on.
You're lighting a fire, Michael, not writing a novel. How much longer is it gonna take you?
Man 1, fire 0.
Very nice. Bravo.
All right, my lady. What comes next?
I think... Well, I wish we had some booze.
Well, if I'd have known that ahead of time.
I don't know, I'm kind of just... I'm not feeling it. Yet.
Am I doing something wrong?
No. I mean... I thought you were one way, but you're kind of another way. Does that make sense? It's not your fault.
Jess? I really like you. Whoever you think I am, well, just give me a chance, and I will show you what you need.
Well, I am liking your confidence. Mike, the shutters.
What about them?
Close them, please?
There's just no one out there.
I feel like someone's watching us. I don't like it.
Jess, really, it's fine.
I really don't like it.
Okay, shutter it is. Voila. Shutters are shuttered. Now, where were we?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think I'm a little freaked out, and it's hard for me to, like, keep this up, and...
What? Keep what?
Look, I act all super confident and like a total sexy babe and everything, but underneath, I gotta be honest, I'm really kind of insecure.
Jess, you gotta be kidding me.
What?
You have nothing to be insecure about.
Oh, you have no idea.
Sure I do. You're just like me and everyone else. We're all insecure. But you know how to handle yourself. You might call it a front, but it's real.
Yeah, I guess I do.
Yeah, and that's super fucking hot.
Really?
Yeah, hell yeah it is.
Come here. Maybe I know how to handle you too.
I am definitely ready to be handled. It's your phone.
What? How is it my phone?
I don't know, it just came through the window.
Oh, for fuck's sake, god damn it!
What?
Those goddamn assholes probably followed us out here to fuck with us, and just when we were getting down to business. Hey! Yeah, pricks! That means you! I know you're out there! The fuck are you trying to do? You wanna ruin our fun that bad? Well, guess what? You can't! You can't ruin our good time, because Michael and I are gonna fuck! That's right, we are going to have sex, and it's gonna be hot! So enjoy it, because I know we're going to! Give me a break!
Do you really think the girls were communicating with us?
I don't know. I don't know if I wish they were or if I wish they weren't.
I guess we should find out.
Josh looked really freaked out at the seance.
Yeah, I mean, he looked like he was keeping it together, but
Do you think we shouldn't have mentioned his sisters?
it's why we came back up here.
Yeah, but not to, like, have a seance. Maybe we went too far. Damn it. Holy crap!
Are you okay?
I think so. Look,
What?
there was something behind the books. What is that?
Is it a button?
Why would there be a button?
That's a good question.
Should I push it?
That's what buttons were for, I guess. Whoa, panel opens. Head explodes.
Are we, like, in a movie right now?
If we are, I hope it's a rom-com.
Leave it to the Washingtons to have secret passages in their house?
I mean, maybe they didn't even know. This place is super old.
So, should we take a look?
Yeah, after you.
No. You go.
Gee, thanks.
What?
Whoa, is
What
this...
did you find?
Holy cow. Now, Ash, I don't want to freak you out, but look at this.
What? Chris, what is that?
I think this might be what the spirit board wanted us to find.
The clue?
Yeah, it's a letter.
Let me see it.
It's a threat.
Chris, this is serious. We need to find Josh right now. What was that? Do you think someone was actually after Hannah and Beth?
If so, that would be really messed up. So, I've just been thinking about something I saw earlier with Sam.
What?
There was like this wanted poster, like full-on Western style, you know?
So?
And Sam really thought there was someone following her around.
So what you're saying, there's some criminal up on the mountain with us?
Well, there was that guy I told you
Whoa,
about.
wait, what guy?
The guy who threatened the Washingtons. I mean, he said he wanted to take revenge by burning the whole place down. And then I found that crazy psycho letter.
Chris, if this is your way of trying to make me feel better, you're fired.
You hear that?
That was Josh!
Coming from the kitchen.
Josh!
Josh! Coming! Hold on! Ashley! Ashley, what's going on? Let me in! Ashley! You gonna... Ash? Ash!
I'm going to show you some pictures of people that you have come to know and like. But maybe you don't like them as much as you pretend to. Well, this is an exercise in honesty. Tell me which person from each pair you like the most. Take your time. Your answers are important. Tell me, in this little game you're playing so diligently, who is it that you most dislike? A bit too bitchy for your taste. Often the lack of confidence manifests itself as overconfidence. Think about that. Is that not just a little bit like... Once again, I'm afraid we're out of time. We'll talk again soon.
Hold on!
There is one individual we're considering as a person of interest. He has an interesting history with the Washington family. Apparently, he had warned them against pursuing their construction project in Blackwood Pines and claimed the land was sacred to his forefathers.
S. S-T.
Sister?
Ask it whose sister.
Josh, it's gotta be.
Which sister is it then?
Oh my god.
Hush!
Come here. Maybe I know how to handle you too.
Oh fuck, what the fuck? Jessica! Oh my god! Oh my god! Jess! 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 No! Keep going, keep going. Jessica, I'm coming! I'm coming! Jessica! Jessica!
Help me! Oh no! Michael!
Jess!
Jessica! No, Jessica! No, Jessica! What the fuck? Come to Papa. Shit. There he is. He's gotta make it!
Ashley! Oh. Ash. Ash! Not good. Not good at all. Okay. The fuck? Oh, shit. No. Ash? Ashley! Ashley? Anyone out there? Ashley? What in the hell? Who would do this? Oh, shit. Ash! 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 Ashley? Ash! Ashley!
Fred!
Ash, I'm... God damn it!
Please, help me!
I'm coming, Ash. Just keep talking to me.
Chris, are you there?
Hello, and thank you all for joining me.
Wake up!
Tonight, we're going to conduct a little experiment, sort of test. Now for this experiment, we'll need the cooperation of our two test subjects, Joshua and Ashley.
What? Oh my God.
But we're going to need one more brave participant to help decide which subject will live and which will die.
No! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, Chris! Get us out of here!
Let
Please.
me out from here, you maniac!
Please, everyone calm down. It's all very simple. Christopher, you will find a lever placed directly in front of you. All you have to do is choose who you will save.
Get me out!
Shit, no!
Oh, right!
Okay, this is gonna be okay. Oh, dude, buddy, let's just think about this for a minute.
You can't let me die!
Give me a second. I can't think straight. Just...
Huh?
God, Ash. I'm sorry.
Chris, please! Oh, God. This is insane! This is nuts! This isn't happening! Chris, please tell me this is...
I see. You have chosen to save Ashley.
No, it's a mistake. Someone else. Josh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean for this to happen.
Man, I thought we were friends! Why would you do this? Oh, God, what did I do? Ah!
Stop it! You can't do this! No, don't look, Ashley.
Why
Don't
can't
look.
I look? Chris, please tell me he's okay, please.
Oh. I'm coming, Ash. I'm gonna get you. I'm letting you down. Stop, please. Come on, let's get you down. Come on, we're gonna get you out of here.
No!
We gotta go, okay? Chris! Ashley!
Blood? Whose blood is that, Ash?
Are you okay?
Chris, what happened?
Josh, what, dude?
He's dead.
Wait,
Not right
what?
in front of us, man.
What are you talking
There's
about?
a maniac.
Maniac?
Oh my god, we gotta get out of here.
I don't understand what happened.
There's a maniac, and there was a saw, and it was either him or Ash, and I don't know what to do. It come right through, man, spilling out fucking everywhere.
What? Oh my god, Chris, what?
And I killed him. I killed him. It was my fault, man.
No, this is insane. We need to go get some help.
We got right in half.
We're gonna figure this out.
Matt, we need to go get help now.
Chris, she's right. And who knows who'll be next, right? We just gotta go.
Yeah, it's the only sane thing to do. We'll go get help.
No, you just want to save yourself.
No, I just don't want to make hasty decisions that get everyone killed. You can get everyone else together and I'll go get help. With Matt, right?
Okay.
Hello again. Things are getting pretty tense up there, aren't they? Is the night going the way you hoped it would? I see. And you think that these poor people are getting what they deserve? I'm trying to help you. And this game you're playing, you understand that it's not good for you. It's not good for anyone. And I can't say that you're being particularly honest in the way you're playing. To continue with this elaborate self-indulgence? Do you even believe that I am real? The heart of the problem, it all comes down to this. Can you really tell the difference anymore? I doubt it. Sometime after, the prospectors came to mine this mountain until a cave-in was driven mad. Murderers. With year ago, my sight.